All right, back in the Volvo today. So this battery's no good. I had it tested again, and he tested it with the snap-on tester, my friend at Napa, and he said, yeah, she's a no good. It holds a charge, but as soon as it gets, you challenge the battery a little bit, it dies. But anyway, I've got this. Look at it. Got some brake pads for this SUV, so I'm going to throw them on today real quick, and then I'll get that out of the way. And anyway, I'll get you set up and you can see what I'm doing. All right, take this off real quick. So I had to go to the parts store and get a one of these. It's too big. What's this one here? Let's see. That feels loose. Oh, it feels tight. Wow, shoot. That should work. Okay. All right, I think we got the right one here. See here? It's this here. Really not right, but I'll get a... Okay, I gotta get something to pry with, so I'll bring you back. Let's see here. Okay, so I got it. This has got to come out. Okay. That could hurt. Let's see here. Let's get it still. Gotta try and compress that caliper a bit, eh? Oh, I see, okay. Gotta come out the bottom first. Oh, there we go. All right. Bring you in here, I'll show you. All right, well, the rotors, there's a little bit of rust on them, but they're in pretty good shape. I think they're fine. It's just this vehicle hasn't been driven much. Okay. Yeah, let's see here. Just got to take these guys out. I mean, they're, see here the pads? Just about done. So anyway, I'm going to put the new ones in. Okay. You just got to compress in this caliper piston, and then we can throw these guys back on here. I think that's it. Little dab will do ya. Just put a little bit right on the piston here, and then put a little bit on these guys here. Okay, and then we'll go in here. Pretty sure that's there. Okay. A little bit on here. A little bit on right on here. All right, there. Maybe that's the way she goes. That's just to hold that in there straight, I think. There you go. There you go. I'll show you what I'm doing here. Okay, it's right in here. Can you see? Hang on a second. Where are we? There you go, right there. And okay, so I got the pins. These are just pins, and see here, feels loose. But once you apply the brakes, that'll tighten up again because they slide on these pins. So this kind of floats, eh? And this piece here, comes with the brakes pads. Just throw that in. Okay, I'll put this wheel back on and go to the other side. That's an easy brake job. It's pretty surprising actually how easy it is. Okay, we're on the other side. Boy, once those things get in there, they're pretty kind of tough to get out because the new ones are easy to put in. I'll tell you that. Huh. Anyway, the bottom line is you got to take this off, and then in back behind here you got to take these little plastic covers off, and then undo it. There you go. Sorry for the handheld here, but it's see, that's not even that tight. Okay, let's see here. Okay. And they're just like whatever, like an Allen head. Way back in there. See, I got blocks. It doesn't fall on me. Don't worry. I don't want to get crushed just for doing a simple brake job. Oh, geez, they're not even that tight. There you go. To get this off, you got to get this off first. So, there. A little bit of force. Okay, let's see if we can. Oh, yeah, okay. And I swear, the easiest brake job I've ever done is this thing. That's unreal. And there you go. So yeah, this is the best thing to do, is just leave the old pad on there. And oh, look at that. Easy does it. Oh yeah, they squeeze in nice and easy. I think that's it. Now I gotta just break this guy out like this. Okay. Okay. Get this. Put a little on here, and then put a little bit on there. Okay, now. Okay. Put a little down here. Don't want to get any on the rotor, or probably wouldn't be good. A little bit on this one here. I guess I didn't really need to put it on the middle part, did I? Okay. Man, that goes together pretty easy. A little bit of anti-seize on there too. And, okay. I have to take that other wheel off because I didn't realize that spring is, you got to put it in. Hang on, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's got to go here. Huh. I did put it in wrong, didn't I? Okay, it's got to go like this. That's how it goes. There you go. So a little oopsie, I didn't put the one on the other side on correctly, so I'm gonna have to pull that wheel off again, but it'll only take me a minute. Anyway, I'm gonna put this wheel back on this side, and then I get back over to that side. I gotta pull these blocks out of there now. Not getting under, don't worry, I'm not gonna get underneath it. Anyway, I'll bring it back when I do the other side. Okay, that's the way this spring is supposed to be in there. That way it can't walk out. Because there's not really much holding it there, just those slide pins on one side and then the spring on the other. So, but that looks like it's in there. It's supposed to be like that. So there you have it. Brake job done. XC90 Volvo. Thanks for watching.